one, not the other one.
Other one also draw because this is the basic. Okay.
Not the other one also.
Yeah, all of you draw other one also. This is the basic, very simple shape, and I creating character. So now I go to the color. Okay. So please keep silence and see how I creating.
Name for the second.
Yeah. No need. The second thing is only draw like this. So I make color now. So you are ready to color.
So are we supposed to outline?
Yeah, I create the outline for this drawing.
But sir, is it the same of fat marker? Sir, is it the same or fat marker?
Yeah, this is fat marker.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. आराम से take time. Okay. Don't hurry. I just make the outline and I erasing this inside line, pencil line. The it's help to color nicely. Okay, so the next steps you know that I go to the color and I have a very nice color shades. This is all right, Nandini. You have color shades.
So I have.
Wow, that's good. I do one thing more. This is mute yourself, all of you. Then some sound is coming from. Yeah. Just get it down. Okay.
So can you make for a second and so is it okay if I use a black pen?
Yes.
Okay.
So I create a color over here. Yes. So the color basically the special. Hi sir, how are you? I'm fine sir. How are you? Good. Exam off. Oh wow, that's great. I really missed lots. Um, so hope the 1 o'clock joined, right? Isn't it today? But what? Oh, so sweet. Right. Definitely. I think few drawing also whatever I covered the last few weeks is not joined, but you can see and I show the step by step. The video also I send in. Okay, I just make the editing for it. So great. So join first today 1 o'clock first time. The second time join tomorrow evening. Is it possible tomorrow evening? That is good. Yeah, today morning first. Today 1 o'clock first join. Yes. Good.
So, excuse me, sir. Are we supposed to color the inside part with blue outline?
What? 1 second, Elena. Elena, just 1 second, beta. What's that? Will be on 1 second.
Are we supposed to draw the inside with blue felt pen?
Yeah.
What size coloring?
Black. So first join the 1 o'clock classes. Okay, so then I can explain everything. If you need to join another class, but you say something, right? Some craft class, something, right? I tell you. 2 time classes. Yeah,
So which
join
blue
second
are you
class.
using?
Yes. That's
So which blue are you using?
yes. Morning time is a 1 o'clock, and evening time is a this 7:15. Okay. 1 p.m. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sunday also you can join evening. Okay. The compulsory class is 1 o'clock. Saturday 1 o'clock compulsory class.
Sir, what glue are
First
you
patient.
using?
Patient. And the other class is the Sunday 7:15 or either the Saturday 7:15. Okay.
Sir,
Thank you.
which
Yes.
glue are you using, sir?
I'm using the cobalt blue. Cobalt blue.
What's that?
Okay. Yeah. No, no.
She's using the
Yeah, yeah,
cobalt blue.
yeah.
Cobalt blue. Cobalt blue. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
same link, sir. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Okay, this is a blue and this yellow called the golden yellow. Okay. Maybe any question have better? Sorry, I have some call and that's why I not hear your you say something. Nandini understood better? This is the gray color I use. The this is the color, a different color. Okay, this is Deshani. Okay. You have ever told I'm using the cobalt blue, gray.
Sir, I don't have the golden yellow. Could I use deep yellow?
Yes, beta. You can use deep yellow.
Okay,
You,
sir.
you are using the gray. You are using the cobalt blue. I show what color I'm using. Cobalt blue. And I'm using the black. That's a four color I'm using. Okay. Okay. Deep yellow, gray, Prussian blue, and black. आराम से करो. Okay.
Sir,
Understood?
can we do a scenery?
Yeah, we do scenery also. Okay, beta. First do one or two drawing and then scenery.
Thank
Next
you, sir.
drawing I not color only sketch and after next drawing I do the scenery.
First, I